Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check your medical insurance status using your Emirates ID. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type dha.gov.ae and press enter. This will take you to the official Dubai Health Authority website. Once the website loads, look at the top left corner of the page. You will see a button that says Login. Click on this button. After clicking, you will see several login options. Look for the option that says Login with UAE Pass. Click on that option to continue. Next, the system will ask you to enter your credentials. Since we are using the Emirates ID, select the field that asks for your Emirates ID. Type in your ID carefully, making sure every number is correct. After entering your Emirates ID, a notification will pop up on the UAE Pass app on your mobile phone. Open the app and confirm the login. You may need to use your Face ID, fingerprint, or PIN to complete this step. Once confirmed, the system will log you in securely. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your personal health profile. Here, you can view your insurance details. This includes information about your current coverage, insurance provider, and validity dates. You can also find your medical record number, or MRN, which is useful if you need to access medical services or records at hospitals and clinics. Thanks for watching.